So, do you speak the Ga language?
Few.
All right. So, but let me ask this: is the Ga language difficult?
Oh no, not at all.
It's very nice. Hello, my name is Nia. What's your name, sir?
I'm Raymond.
Raymond. Oh, wow. Then you are me, because I'm also called Raymond.
Really?
Wow, what a coincidence.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, so where are you from? Which region are you from?
I'm from the Eastern region.
Okay.
Yeah.
What brought you to Accra, or how long have you been in Accra?
I've been in Accra all my life. I was actually born in Accra.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, do you speak the Ga language?
Few.
All right. So, but let me ask this: is the Ga language difficult?
Oh no, not at all. Especially for someone that was born in Accra. I think growing up with the people in a compound house and also studying Ga back from primary to JHS, it was quite easy for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. So the question I'm asking today is, what do you know about the Ga people? I mean, the ethnic group. What do you know about the people of Ga?
Okay. I know they have the festival called Homewo.
Okay.
Yeah, and they have the street carnival things where there are times there's a ban on playing of music instruments. Yeah, maybe something to maybe appease the gods or something.
Okay.
And then I know the Ga ladies also are very hardworking.
Okay.
Yes, they are very hardworking. Well, there's a concept that the Ga men, some of them don't like working, but but I've seen that the women are not like that. They are very committed and hardworking. I mean, they put in their strength for what they believe in and what is working for them. And that's the little I know.
Okay. So we all know that Ga doesn't dominate. The speaking of Ga doesn't dominate in Greater Accra.
Okay, yeah.
Do you have any idea why it has gotten to this way?
Well, I would say, Accra is the capital town. Okay, Greater Accra. So it looks like most people migrate from their regions to Greater Accra.
Okay.
Let's say for greener pastures and for the opportunities. When foreigners also come into the country, they are coming to Accra. So most of the developments are going on in Accra. So I think because of that, you have a lot of people trooping in, and that brings up the diversity that has come in here. And most people will also come in with their. I find that the place is good for me. I'll try to bring in my people. Okay. Yes. So they are welcoming. They welcome you once you come in. So I think that's why you can say it's not really dominating here. Yes, sir.
But do you think there's something that the people of the Ga people should have done to help them for their language to dominate? Because since you are coming to a place, because if you go to China, you definitely go and speak China, or you definitely speak Chinese, or even learn how to speak Chinese, right? Sure. So is there anything that the Ga people didn't do that has led to that?
Well, first of all, you would say that Ghana has many ethnic groups, many tribes. So I can't pinpoint one thing I would say the Gans did not do that has led to this occurring in Accra. But then the little I can say is maybe the willingness of the people who come to Accra also to learn the language, Maybe that's what I can say. Maybe some people may not be really willing to learn. Maybe they came purposely for business. So I have come for business. Let me just focus on that. Yeah. So maybe that's the little I just can say.
Thank you so much. Do you have any final words you want to say? Maybe any advice to people about the Gans, or you want a message? You have a message for the Ga people?
Oh, little I can say is that let's just keep on speaking and learning our local dialects, our local languages, not just the Ga language, but even as parents, we have to make sure our children can learn our language and speak in the house. Some people are just like to school, learn the English and stuff, but even struggle with the local languages when they are in the house. But I think it's good when the children know at least something from where they are coming from. It helps. It helps, sir.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Raymond.
Mr. Raymond. Interesting. Wow. Oh, I love this. Okay. Oh, you've given me a
Achom Philomena in the Chorkor team winner. Shout out to Chorkor TV, your YouTube. Nyebo amode nye kwa ajami. Local papa, local fine.